Uh-oh. I think this is the safe zone line. And does it sense movement? Yeah. There are 3 monsters in this? That's gonna be hard to get past. Oh. But like not the best at like the gorilla tag type stuff. Oh, they can't get up here though. Did you just die? Oh god. Oh, you died. Oh. Yeah, they just... Oh, okay. Oh. So, the reason I brought that up was the FNAF 4 jump scares are, like, really loud, but you have to listen in order to play the game. So, you have to turn your volume up to play the game, and then the jump scares are, like, deathly loud. L. They can't get me. You know you can't get me up here. Oh god. Oh. Ah. L. What are those mini people? What are those mini people? Well, we just found something out that they... Oh. Are you up on the shelf? Oh. Yeah, one of them can reach you if you're on the bottom shelf. So, I don't know how to beat this game, because this is like my second time. Oh! You just got flung. Look up there. Oh, it despawned. Never mind. Okay. Oh, yeah. And when there are only 2 people in a lobby, they'll just, like, spawn camp. Like this. Where do you want to go? Oh, someone's coming. Okay, which way? That way or that way? Oh my god, there's a J-Man Curly poster in here. J-Man Curly poster? Do you not know who that is? Oh. He's a really famous Gorilla Tag YouTuber. Can you walk on these? Oh. Oh. I'm gonna die. Now, because I'm... Okay, we gotta go somewhere, and these will block you. Okay, we're going there. Go! Oh, frick. Yeah, same. Yeah, your hand's gonna get stuck. I told you not to do that. Let's just get him real mad. Oh, okay. No, I don't. Why? It's so weird. So Animal Company is like a horror game, but it's less scary than this. Well, I don't know about the haunted house. The haunted house is as scary. Except the jump scare isn't as bad. I got in an elevator. City. I'm going up to city. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I got in an elevator. Oh, I'm up. I'm at a city. Yo, this is actually sick. In a pumpkin. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm in, like, a town that's really creepy. I feel like something's gonna jump scare me. That's why I'm standing on top of a fence, so nothing can get me. And I'm gonna go on top of a basketball net. You wanna play Animal Company? Because I am a pro at Animal Company. Unlike at this. Okay. You should be able to talk in Animal Company, so. I quit Scary Baboon. Yeah, so if you give it access to your microphone, you should be able to talk. I'm loading in. Do not look behind you in the opening screen. Okay? Just don't. There's the ghost. Yeah, that's literally why I said it. So that you'd see the ghost. Also, if you want to know how big of a fan I am of this game, yeah, I told you, it'll glitch out majorly if you look behind you. You gotta give it access to your mic, and then... Okay, and then join the... You should spawn in a treehouse, and there should be a computer, and type in 013. This should be less annoying than Scary Baboon. You sure? Oh! Now, go to the computer. Oh! I'm doing parkour right now. I'm just gonna kill myself for fun. Yeah. I should see it when you join. What? Once you type it in, click the enter button. It should be R-E-T. The R-E-T button. And then you should glitch a little bit, and we're in. Oh. What? Can you hear me? Talk. Oh, I can't hear you. Okay. Hey. Can't hear you in this game, so let's just stay on the call. But, so if you want to know how big of a fan I am, come down here. Come down here. You're not gonna glitch out. Okay, press the MetaQuest home button. Try and move your hands. Exit out of the home menu. All the way. Fully. But stay in Animal Company. Oh. Why? Why? Oh, God. I hate this. Why would... Oh, okay. So, come down here. Look at this. Same skin. Yeah, I got the special skin. Because I actually love this game. And I can change my appearance, so I have the doctor mask on. The doctor mask thing. I can put on... Okay, I should fall from the sky. Now look. The Jason mask. You can buy cosmetics. I bought the Grim Gorilla, and your wallets can let you buy cosmetics. And you come over here and click your daily... There should be a daily fee. Like, welcome back. Go up. Now, you're going to want to hold it like this. It's a little bit glitchy at times, but yeah, just follow through with that. And you should get some coins to spend on cosmetics. Now, you want to do the haunted house. Okay, you can buy stuff. There is... In the item shop, there's flashlight, camera, red flashlight, crowbar, grenade, flash grenade, a bunch of stuff. So you're going to want to press... No, you only need a flashlight for this. So you're going to want to press a button on your controller. And the other one that doesn't drop it. And that turns it on. Now... And put that on. You take it and you just drop it onto your back. And just press the drop button. Nope. Other button. Other button. No, press the same button again to close it. Nope, that dropped it. Just drop it. Just drop it. Just drop it. Drop it. Okay. It's on your back now. Oh. Okay. I guess I'll have this instead, because either you or me accidentally bought it, but... Okay, let's go. Now, this is garbage. I can't have that. Okay. Now, once we get to where we're going, you have to turn your flashlight off. So when I say turn it off, or we'll both die. Really? Where? Where are you? Okay. You can ignore these for a second. They don't matter, basically, since you have me to guide you. So do not turn your... Where are you? Do not turn your flashlight on. There is a very scary, bloody anglerfish here that will kill you if you turn your flashlight on. Now, if this thing turns red, do not move. Yeah. Come on. Okay, stop. Put your backpack on. Let's go. Over here to this red thing. No! You're cooked. You're cooked. Don't worry, I got your stuff. Oh, you moved. Apparently. Sometimes it glitches, but yeah, that's basically what happened. If it did that, that means it thought you moved. So you can just go ahead and come back to where you were before. I got all your stuff. Yeah. My nose itches and I'm in the red light, green light. Okay, you should be right over there. Once you're out of the range of it, you don't have to worry about it anymore. And once you complete this, you get a really cool, rare item, and it's called a flashbang blaster. It basically can emit a red flash. Oh! And when it emits the red flash, it can like launch you into the air. Oh, I'm right here. Don't move. Right here, come here. Right here. Over here. Okay. You're out of the range of it. There's your flashlight, there's your backpack. Now, once we're inside of that haunted house, there's no time to waste. Do not look the monster in the eyes. Now, once we're inside of it, you can turn on your flashlight. It should turn off every once in a while because of the spirits. Are you up here? Oh, I'm out of my boundary. Wait, okay. Hey, you're gonna have to come up here, otherwise it'll get you. Just follow me, just follow me. The monster is freaky. That was a flashbang monster. Okay. Put it back on. Quick. We're looking for a key. Found it. Run! Come here! Come here! Quickly! Doesn't matter, just as fast as you can. I got the key. We should be good. Jump down. It will get you. And when it does, you do not want to see what happens. Wait, where are you? Yeah, come here. Okay, once you jump down here, it cannot get you. But but you're gonna get very confused once you jump down, so prepare yourself. Yeah. Okay. This is freaky. Okay. Look. This is a corrupted gem. If you touch that, it'll take damage. Do not be in the range of the eyeball. It will kill you if it sees you. So it'll slowly take damage. So try not to be in the range of it. Just drop down. Okay, just drop down to where I am. Okay. Down here, let it suck you up. Wait. Let the black hole suck you up. Okay? Let it. I know that sounds really weird. I'm gonna... Okay, good. I'm gonna collect some loot. I'm gonna collect some loot that'll get us money. Don't go anywhere once you've let it suck you up. Okay. You should sense the flashbang, and we're here. This... Oh, I put it in my backpack. You don't need it from now on. Do you want a flashbang gun? Nah, you're good. I'm a beast at this game. Just take it. Watch. Look at this. Yeah, cool, right? Yeah, I'm gonna need that back. Yeah. Oh, I just got really poor after buying that. Oh. Yeah, there it is. So look, you can suck things in. Now look, the flashlight is hooked onto it. Now you can blast it out. It's right there. Here you go. So yeah, this is really cool to just play around with. If you touch the lava, it'll slowly take damage. So you really just need some simple parkour skills for this. And I'm really bad at parkour, and I can do this, so hopefully you can. Okay. Do you have anything in that backpack? You can leave it behind if you want. Like, you might want to keep it for, like, later to do other stuff. So, yeah, keep it. Put it on your back. And literally all you're going to want to do is complete this parkour. Try not to touch the lava. If you do, it's not the end of the world. It slowly kills you, but no, not immediately. Okay. Okay, go up there. Oh god. Okay, you're gonna want to go up through the parkour course. Again, I just flashbanged myself off. Just quickly. Whoop. Oh. You can go up there if you want. Yeah, that's the safer route. So yeah, you can just go ahead and go up there. Oh, it's just the lighting. once you get up there, you just gotta come over here. One more jump. Oh! Okay. I thought you were gonna die for a second. Put your backpack on. Hey, you can keep it in your hand. Okay, come over here. Come to where I am. No, don't jump. Go the safe way, the bridge route. Shine your light over there. Go over there. No, yeah, over there onto that bridge. Okay. Turn your back. Yeah, now go over the bridge and come to where I am. This is pretty easy, but your hand might glitch through. But if it does glitch through, it'll be safe. Now, once you're where I am, you're gonna want to take a huge jump. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1 second.